Hello everyone. Welcome to our Microsoft Word playlist. So in this video, I'll teach you how to change the unit of measurement in Microsoft Word. So I'll open up my Microsoft Word. So this means na let's say yung ruler ng document nyo is naka-inches, pwede nyo siyang i-change into centimeters or vice versa. So first, I'll open up my Microsoft Word. And then I'll create a blank document. As you can see in my document, hindi naka-show yung ruler ko. So to show the ruler, you can go to View and then check this option here na ruler. So currently, naka-inches yung unit of measurement ng document ko. So let's say for example, gusto kong baguhin to into centimeters. First, you have to go to File tab and then Options. Next, go to Advanced and scroll down and look for this one. It's under Display, Show Measurements in Units of. So again, currently we're in inches. Let's click this one and change this into centimeters. You can also change this into other unit of measurement. But this one, I'll just choose centimeters. And then click on the OK button. So as you can see, naka-centimeters na siya. So ganun lang po kadali mag-change ng unit of measurement sa ruler nyo in your Microsoft Word. So if you wanted to change this back into inches, same process pa rin. Go to File, Options, Advanced, and then change the units of measurements. Then change it back to inches. And then click on OK. So I think that's it. That's how easy it is to change your unit of measurement for your ruler in Microsoft Word. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.